Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, remove File Explorer search history in Windows 11. Open Registry with administrative privileges. Create new key named as autocomplete. Create new string named as autosuggest, change value data to no. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.